What am I going to do to make for some more salads? You guys seem to like the salads out there. And you know what? I thought, why not make a good red potato salad? And then I'm going to save whether I'm going to put eggs or not put eggs into the salad to when we go to the live for making the red potato salad. So I'm going to show you the easy way to do red potato salad right here in our Carpizzo's kitchen, part of Heal, Eat, and Teach, where we are cooking, eating, and enjoying. So as you know, we love to cook here, we love to eat here, and we love to enjoy life here. But also what you need to remember is you need to do things that are economical, are based on using all of the items in your refrigerator when you go to make something. If you can take and you can put together all the items in your refrigerator or different items or what's in your pantry, then you have a loaded pantry that you could use to cook for if you get people coming over that just knock on the door and they say, hello, we're here. And you go, oh my God, what am I going to do? Keep a box or a Krusty's a cake there where you can make a quick dessert. Make sure you have coffee on hand. If you don't like coffee, make sure you have a good selection of teas. People love tea today. Not just matcha tea, but all kinds of tea. Earl Grey tea, green tea, black tea, all kinds of things. So there we have it. Give it a try. Work hard during the day on your job, but come home and make your life easy and save money doing the economical things by cutting a chicken, cutting your own lettuce. Try not to buy bag lettuce. It goes bad too fast. Cut lettuce as you need it. Cut your celery. Cut your cucumbers. Cut your tomatoes. Buy things fresh. Buy your fruit fresh. Buy a watermelon. Cut it up. I'll make a video and show you how to cut a watermelon. So there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's Kitchen, part of Heal, Eat, and Teach. Go to the area where we have the videos, and the area is called what? Our channel page. And take a look.
Playlist.
We have playlists galore. Anthony has been good to put all of the recipe numbers 1 through whatever they are together so you can watch me make everything one after the other. Give it a try. Okay, so I've got to go because it's time to go make another videotape for you guys, for help you guys to make it easy on all of you. Do things quick and easy in the least amount of time with the most nutrition and delicious taste for your who? Families. So this is Peter Carpizzo. It's always wishing you the best. Out!